Hi, this is Buffy Hamilton, librarian at the Unquiet Library. Welcome to my tutorial on how to use the advanced search feature in Flickr to find copyright-friendly photos in the Creative Commons pool. So let's get started. You'll first go to the advanced Flickr search page. You can find this link from your class subject research Pathfinder. Type in your search term. In my case, I'm going to be searching for the term peace. We're going to go down and we're going to make one modification to the media type to change that to only photos. The last step is critical. You must check the text box that says only search within Creative Commons licensed content. At this point, you can now click on the search button. Once your search results come up, you can browse them by relevance to your search term or by the interesting factor. Right now I see a photo that I like. I'm going to click on this one to view it in greater detail. And once you click on the photo and decide, hey, this is a photo that works for me, then you're going to go up here to Actions and you're going to select View All Sizes. You'll give it just another moment. And at this point, there are a couple of things I would like to point out to you. The first thing you need to pay attention to is the license for the photo. We want to choose photos that will ask us to give attribution for our particular project. So you see the little I. Also, if you see a symbol that says non-commercial, this is also an indication that this is safe to use for a school project. To stay in compliance with our guidelines that we've put forth in your presentations in assignment, at minimum we want to choose photos that require attribution. If there are other photos, it's probably best that we stay away from those. We want to choose copyright-friendly photos that we can give credit to, that we can use by giving credit, and of course we want to do that by putting the link to the photo on each slide. And of course, non-commercial photos are also what we're seeking. However, the primary symbol that we want you to look for are for photos that only require the attribution in use. To be in compliance with the Creative Commons license. Once you have determined that yes, this is an appropriate photo to use, you can then go and select the size photo that you want. I'm going to get the medium 640, and then you simply click on download and then save the photo to the appropriate location. Now, if that seems a little bit confusing trying to interpret these licenses and trying to decide, do I use it, do I not, to be in compliance with the project guidelines, then we can simply go back to our advanced search page, and I can again put in my search term, and I don't want it up there. I'm going to move it down right here, and I still want to choose only photos, but when I go down to make my selection for the Creative Commons licensed content, you can check the second box, find content to modify, adapt, or build upon. This is going to give you a little bit more flexibility in your use of your photos, so if you do need to make any slight modifications to them, you can do that. And again, they're going to be photos that we can use for educational purposes because they are copyright friendly. If your screen happens to freeze up and doesn't want you to check the box like mine just did, you can press the F5 key on your keyboard and then again re-enter your search term, change your media type to photos, and then we're just going to go down, and now not only can I check that initial box that I am required to indicate only search within Creative Commons licensed content, but again we want to get the content we can modify, adapt, or build upon. This will just narrow the results a little bit and hopefully make it a little bit easier for you to navigate. And again, it's still a good idea to check the license just to double check. And again, you can go to Actions, View All Sizes to download the photo, but this is also how you can go and check the usage rights under the Creative Commons license. And of course, this one does require attribution, which we're requiring of you anyway, whether the license does or not. And this also says this photo is appropriate for non-commercial purposes, like a school project. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Hamilton in the library, and we will be glad to give you assistance. Thank you for watching the video tutorial on using the Creative Commons Advanced Search feature in Flickr.